Hey, this is Manny Fresh with another tutorial. Today I'll be going over how to create a restore point and how to apply it to your computer. So restore point is needed to be able to change your computer to a previous state. So maybe you install a program or you install something but it created problems. A restore point will help you go back to the original state when the computer was working. So first thing you want to do is you want to right click here and go to settings, or you could go search here and search for settings. On the top here you want to search for restore, and then you want to click on create a restore point. Right, the very first thing you need to do is you need to go down here where it says configure restore settings and click configure. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on system protection, and here you manage basically the maximum disk space that your restore points can use. I'll leave it at 1% just in case, but if you have a bigger hard drive you could go 20-15% or whatever you like. But since I don't make constant changes to my computer, I'll leave it at 1%. This right here is if you had restore points in the past. If you click delete, it's gonna delete all your restore points. So that's how you delete restore points. So now that I did this and the 1%, I'm gonna click apply and then OK. If you want to create a restore point yourself, let's say you install a program, or before you install a program you want to install create a restore point, then you want to click on create, and then in here you could name it whatever you like. Let's say you install iTunes or a driver for your display adapter. So here you put install display driver, then you click on create. Okay, so at this point your restore point was created. So let's say Windows has problems down the road and you want to go back to that time before you install the driver, then you want to click on system restore, and again you create your restore point before you make a change on your computer. And here you go to system restore, click next, and this is all 3 available restore points that I have. If this is the first time loading this, it might choose for you automatically the best restore point, but you could click on to manually select the one that you want when it asks you for that prompt. So in here I'm just gonna go ahead and click next, and it tells you the restore point, what time it was created, what was installed, and then to which drive it applies to. So you will click next here, and then it will go through the process of restoring your computer. It might take about 15-20 minutes depending on the speed of your computer. So once you boot up your computer again, then whatever you did prior to that time will be removed or uninstalled. And then that's basically how you create a restore point and apply it. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to leave a like. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.